Hola. Hello, my angels, my dears. This is Angel, and welcome to my channel and to another Techniques Tuesday. As we begin the Tropical Drinks Month for the channel, I have for you today a technique I call making vanilla simple syrup. Well, this is really a very short video. I'll let you get to it. I truly hope you enjoy it, and I will talk to you later. Given the measurements in my recipe here, you'll yield about 15 fluid ounces of simple syrup. But if you need more simple syrup, the ratio is equal amounts sugar to water. Aprovecha sua comida. You may use the simple syrup for baking like I do. I brush it between cake layers, or you can use it for cocktails or mixed drinks. Thank you so much for staying to the very end. If you like this video and this technique, please give me a like. That really helps my channel. And share on all media platforms. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and make sure your notification bells are turned on. Please try to be the blessing to someone today. And as always in parting, many blessings and much favor until we meet again. I will see you next time.